Yes, Mr. Majid, please ask your question.
I'd like to say sorry, I had some problem with my microphone ago, and thank you and apologize me to join lately to your class because I just
Mr. Majid, I can't hear you. We lost your voice, I think.
came from work. I couldn't have the first 30 minutes of your lecture. I have some questions of your, as I had that to your excellent on 8. Hello, 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 hello.
Yes,
Do you
please
hear me?
slowly, because I think the connection of internet is very weak, so I can hear you clearly.
Do you hear me?
It's okay now. Majid, please ask your question.
Hello, hello.
Yes, it's okay. Please ask your question.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Majid, please ask your question. I can hear you clearly.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Majid, please ask your question. Mr. Majid, you can ask your question by typing your question in the chat box. If your microphone has problems yet, you can type your question in the chat box. I didn't understand your question. Why do you want to subdivide the
Hello?
class?
Hello? Hello? بعد المحاضرة راحت.
Majid, I didn't understand your question. why do you want to subdivide the class? I talked about the points of the grades of your midterm and your final. If you want to talk about that, yes, is it correct? Yes, Mr. Majid, it's a good suggestion. If you can do the translation, it will be very good for our class. If other students agree and you can translate, it will be very helpful. Your microphone is okay now? Mr. Majid, if your microphone is okay now? No, it's okay. It happens time to time. But whenever your microphone is okay, then please raise your hand again, and then we can use your help for translating the slides. And thank you very much for your suggestion. Okay, let's look at this example. We have an example for the structures, but in the physiology of a human body. In a human body, we have different structures. We have the different structures for different specializations. For example, for a neurologist, for the orthopedist, or the hematologist, all of them need different views of the structures of a human body. As you see in this picture, we have different structures: the bone structures, the blood structures, and the muscle structures, and the I think it's the veins structures, or we have different structures in a human body, and each one of them has a different goal, and each one of them is useful for different specializations and gives us different information about human body. Example, for a software, we have also different structures, and we need different views to represent those structures. For example, here in a human body, we have different types of pictures, different types of, for example, X-ray scans, or different types of picturing systems to show these